A coordinate grid is shown below. Based on distances along the grid lines, which location is closest to the point 2, 3 on the coordinate grid? Now, when you graph ordered pairs, and we care about 2, 3, what you do is if it's a positive 2, you go right, and if it's a positive 3, you go up. That's our x value, that's our y value. So we're going to go right 2, up 3, and we care about which of those 4 points down here is going to be closest to that red point. So we'll draw 5, 3 in black. This is going to have me go right 5, up 3. So right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1, 2, 3 is going to live right there. That looks to be 1, 2, 3 units away. Okay? The origin is 0, 0. That's U. We'll make U blue. Now, that's more than 3 units away. It's a diagonal, so I don't know the exact number, but I know that's going to be more than 3 units away, so it's definitely not going to be B. B is out of the question now. The x-axis is the axis down here, so I'm going to mark U in green. And we're comparing that to the red. That's 1, 2, 3 units away. So you're 3 units away. So right now it's a tie between A and C. But when we take a look at the y-axis, the y-axis is this axis vertically that goes up and down. That is 1, 2 units away. So the thing that is closest to our red dot is going to be the y-axis, which is going to be D.